Catch this. Elephants are the only mammals that can't jump. Imagine that. But they compensate with their incredible memory, remembering friends and foes for decades. They're not just big, they're smart. Their brains weigh a whopping 5 kilograms. That's more than 3 times the human brain. Elephants communicate in ways we can't even hear, using infrasound to talk over long distances. And those long trunks? They're not just for show. Elephants use them to smell water up to 20 miles away. Now, here's a heartwarming fact. Elephants grieve for their lost loved ones, just like us. They're emotional beings, capable of feeling joy, love, and even sadness. So next time you see an elephant, remember, there's a lot going on behind those wise old eyes. For more fascinating facts, subscribe and stay tuned.